Hi, my name is Sakit Pradhan, team leader for 190, and this is my team's submission for the AlgoBharat Hackathon. We have made a simple auction smart contract using PyTeal in the local sandbox for the Algorand network. Uh, this is the code execution for the same. I have used the reference of this article, uh, which shows the build of a Algorand standard asset bidding application. And I've also used the auction demonstration sample over on the Algorand's GitHub page. So I'll just briefly go over the code. We are importing all the necessary libraries over here. This is the Algorand SDK, which connects us to the Algorand local development environment. Uh, Firstly, we get the contracts from the Algorand client using this function. Then we create an auction app using all of these parameters using the Algorand client and the sender's account over here. Next, so these are the transaction details, and this is done through the transaction application create application. Uh, Here we set up the auction app. In the first function we had only created, this is used for basically initializing the app. In this function, we actually set up the app and we declare the minimum account balance and the funding amount and everything. These set up the transaction fund app and setups. Uh, Nextly, we can place the bid using this function. It accepts the client, the Algorand client and app ID as its arguments, and we can actually have the bid account over here. Uh, this assigns the transaction to the group ID, and then finally we wait for the transaction to happen, and the client gets his bid and the client is able to place his bid using this function. Finally, we can close the auction using this function. We have to state the bid account and the NFT ID, which is the asset ID for which we will be closing the bid for that particular asset. We have to get the private key. This is with the asset owner, and then finally we wait for transaction and close the bidding. So currently I can't demonstrate an execution on the Algorand testnet or the Algorand local environment because I was facing many errors. But for now, this is my only submission towards the AlgoBharat Hackathon. Thanks for watching.